this massive, big old behemoth, this 3,500 pound mass of metal that you see right here. This is not a truck, my friends. This is my 24-hour, 365 a day house. You see, hidden away in this camper shell, this tiny little bungalow, is a surprise. It's a bed. It's a whole. I didn't want to get one of the beds that are like thin. This is like an 8-inch. This is like an 8-inch bed. I didn't want to get like one of those thin ones because like when I get inside of my house, my truck house, I guess, like, you know, and I'm taking my knees and I'm like going like that. I didn't want it to hurt. I actually wanted it to be nice and and really comfortable. Is the Buddha. So I just worked a 15-hour shift and I'm about to go work another 15-hour shift. The shift ended at 11 o'clock at night. How did I go and get this food? Well, the field supervisor came around and he was just like, do you need a break? And I was like, yeah, I could use a break. And then I went, and then of course, you know, it's 12-hour shifts, so you can like leave post while the field supervisor will watch the post. And I went and I got me some food, and I did get some footage of that. So let's go to the Paul of the past to see what I got. Oh, where's it at, man? I'm looking for my goddamn beef. Uh-oh, I think we have a problem because there's no way I could eat all that right now. Oh, never mind. There's the little ones. I only need like some eggs. I don't need like a whole dozen stuff like these. These little things are like absolutely perfect. I'm on my way to the checkout. Forgot the hash. Hold on, Paul of the present. Look at this freaking bum, bro. Look at this freaking bum, bro. All right, I'm headed back to work. Back to you, Paul of the present. You fucking bum. I have this electric generator right here, and I think it should be, yeah, it's about at 96%. And then I have an electric stove over there. So let's get cooking. I forgot this guy. I just bought this. Is Avengers Age of Ultron. I'm kind of like, you know, educating myself of like all the Marvel stuff. And this is not to be returned. These ones you can actually buy and purchase. Got me some eggs. I got me some chili for the very first time ever. I got me some corned beef hash. And then of course we got ourselves some ground beef. The whole thing costs $14.83. For some reason it says fry in skillet until crispy or extra crispy. Top with your favorite egg. Enjoy. It says caution, do not heat an unopened container over 155 degrees. So I'm definitely going to be putting this in last. The reason why this was kind of more of a must for me to have right now is because I have been eating almost like 100% just peanut butter and bread. And with me working so many hours and not getting like enough sleep, the nutrition does have to go up. The nutrition does have to be better for me right now to remain healthy. So right now we have ourselves some almost, I'd say about 85% protein, being the beef and the eggs, and then, you know, the other 15% fats and artificial flavors. Right now it's a little bit too cherry to add in the eggs, in my opinion, right this second. I do wait until it's almost all cooked for the ground beef, and then I add in the eggs so it can cook a little bit longer. Then I'm gonna add the chili, and then I'm going to add the corned hash. There's still clearly a lot. There's still like a lot of red in there, but I think right now is the perfect time. Throw in your eggs. Oh, those are some good looking eggs right there. That's what I'm talking about. Sometimes I'll put an egg down and it'll be like, you know, like almost a pale yellow type of color, but not these Not these boys right here. These ones are nice, and I am gonna throw in all 6 eggs to get all that there protein. You know, I might be wrong, but that right there, of course I'm about to throw in the chili and the corned hash in a little bit, which isn't as healthy. But this right here, I mean, this is about as healthy as a meal for a man can get. For this, I really like to cook it. I like to, you know, give it the time that it needs for it to cook, because I don't want to rush it anything, because, you know, of course I got the time. You know, I got time right now. So I like to really cook it. I don't like raw meat. I think it's called rare or like whatever it is. I want cooked meat. I want me some nice cooked meat, and look at that. That's looking real nice. It's been cooking for about a good 3 minutes. Now we can throw in this here flavor. I'm only gonna do about half of the can. Typically I do the whole can of chili. I'm only gonna do about half of the can, because I am gonna throw in that there corned hash. Before I throw in the hash, I'm gonna completely mix it in. You can go ahead and turn that heat a little bit down. Look at that, huh? I thought it was gonna be like a lot more red, but here it is. Here's the hash. Is gonna be a brand new thing for, whoa, look at that. Okay, all right, so gonna take our spoon. Oh, Jesus Christ. Oh yeah, that stuff is really good. I think I'm actually gonna go ahead and throw in the intruder! We got ourselves an intruder. We got the goddamn fucking mailman. I don't know what to do. Oh god. Nah, he was cool. He didn't stop or anything. He just went ahead, left the property, and kept it moving along. A whole can of chili. Oh yeah. And it's coming together real nicely. Now that everything's cooked, I think we can go ahead and turn that off. Yeah, I went ahead and clean it up, boy. And it's freaking still steaming. Now that everything is nice, cleaned, organized, sanitized, and put away, we can go ahead and give it a little taste. I hope that this tastes good. Oh yeah. Oh, it's hot. Oh yeah. Now with the hash, get a little bit of potato up in it. Yeah, that's real good. Oh yeah. Yes sir. Tastes so good that my freaking jacket came off. Jacked me off real nice, real good like. Now that we have digested and we are at the end of the video, you should really help me out. You should consider subscribing. You should subscribe, because I'm going to be the biggest YouTuber, not just in America, but on the planet. I'm going to have, get this, 500 million subscribers. They're literally going to have to make a brand new subscriber award. And it's not going to be like PewDiePie's one, like, you know, like somebody made, like I don't want that. I want it to come straight from YouTube, and I want it to be the new standard. Like you know, because, you know, you get your 100,000 subscriber plaque, right? Which I haven't gotten yet. And then you get your 1,000,000 subscriber plaque, and then you get your 10 million subscriber plaque, and then you get your 100 million subscriber plaque. And they all look the same for every single YouTuber that gets 100,000, 1,000,000, 10 million. Is normal. Like, you know, like I want it to be like the normal, the mainstream for every single YouTuber that gets 500 million subscribers, I want to be able to design it, and it's going to be huge. It's probably going to be like the size of, probably about like half the size of my truck. It's going to be massive. It's going to be like almost like a statue. And I'm going to be the very first YouTuber on the planet. I'm going to be the best YouTuber in the world. And I think I can actually do it because the thing is, I don't have anything else to do while I'm on this planet. You know, say like you're like in jail or something and you have like a sentence. Everybody on the planet has been put in jail. Like, we're all on this planet, right? You know, we can go to Mars and everything like that, but it's just like, it's like, do you understand what I'm saying? Like, we are all like put it in, like we're like in this box or this sphere that is the Earth, and we're all here. And the thing is, I really don't have anything else to do, so I think I want to, you know, try YouTube, and I want to become like the best at YouTube ever. And I'm not saying that's going to happen tomorrow. I'm not saying that's going to happen in a decade from now. I'm not even saying that's going to happen in 20 years from now. I'm just saying, I think I'm like, right now, like right in the beginnings, I think I'm like preparing to become the best YouTuber in the world. Now, talking about living inside of a vehicle, the reason why I do this too, of course, is for freedom, but also is to simplify my life. Because the thing is, when I show up to work, I can never forget anything. First me, then Jimothy Beast. His name's actually James, I think. I think his actual name is James. And then we need to bring PewDiePie back. So first me, then Mr. Beast, and then PewDiePie. But, you know, I think that his wife is going to complain about it because, like, you know, every single time that you have a wife and then you have a kid, and then, like, you know, you get, like, you're like this person who's like a famous person, and like you're known for doing things, and just like you kind of give up on it, like how PewDiePie has done, and then like you try to get back on your wife. You know, I'm pretty sure that Marty is gonna be like, what are you doing? 100 million subscriber award.
Red Diamond, according to Google Help. Gold, when you reach 1 million subscribers. Diamond, when you reach 10 million subscribers. Red Diamond, when you reach 100 million subscribers.